Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove location from Instagram post in just a few simple steps. Removing the location from your Instagram post helps protect your privacy and prevents others from knowing your exact whereabouts. So let's start the video. To remove location from Instagram post, open the Instagram app. Once you are there, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap on the three vertical lines in the top right corner. Under how you use Instagram, tap on your activity, scroll down, and under content you shared, tap on post. Here tap on includes location at the top menu bar. So these are all the posts you have on Instagram with the location. Tap and hold to select a post from which you want to delete location. With the post selected, tap on Manage at the bottom. Now select Remove Location from the menu. So tap on Remove Location. Confirm by tapping on Remove Location again. Your post will now be location free and no one will know where that photo was taken. So that's how to remove location from Instagram post. Thanks for watching.